In this video, I will show you how you can fix if Assistive Touch is not working on your iPad. Now before we start, if you have applied any screen protector to your iPad, just remove it. Because if you apply a screen protector which is not supported by Apple, this can interfere with the working of the touch of the screen. And this is why Assistive Touch might not be working on your iPad. And also make sure you clean the screen using a soft cloth, because oil or dirt might have built up on the screen and they might be interfering with the working of the touch of the screen. After you've done that, now for the next step, just go to Settings. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just tap on Touch, and from here, just tap on Assistive Touch. Now first of all, just tap on Customize Top Level menu. Now if you have customized the menu of the Assistive Touch, just tap on Reset to reset it to the default. After you do that, then just go back. Now under Custom Actions, just either select Single Tap, Double Tap, or Long Press. For an example, I'll select Single Tap, and from here just make sure you select an action for the Assistive Touch. If it is on None, just select any of the available options. For an example, I will select Home. Now if I do a single tap on the Accessibility button, it will go directly to the home screen. After you do that, then just go back and tap on Idle Opacity. Now if the idle opacity of the Accessibility button is too low, just increase it from here. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now once the forced restart process has been completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to Settings, and under Settings just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. After that, just go back, and under the General Settings, just scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Reset, and from this menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN. Then just tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.